Rewrite question number 1. Rewrite using letter. So in each of this statement, an unknown number is given and we have to replace the unknown number by a letter. Now you can take any letters. We have 26 alphabets and from that alphabets you can take any letters. Question number 1. The sum of a certain number and 3. Sum means addition. Sum always means addition. Now a number is given. We don't know what is a number. So in that place we take a variable x. So this means the sum of, that means addition of a of x and 3. And that is nothing but x plus 3. Second one, the difference. Difference means subtraction. By subtracting 11 from another number. Now this number is not given. So take it as y. So the difference by subtracting 11 from y. Now I am subtracting 11 from y. So that will be y minus 11. The product of 15 and another number. Product means multiplication. Number is not given. The product of 15 and another number. Now this number is not given. So take it as z. Product means multiplication of 15 and z is 15 multiplied by z. And it is nothing but 15z. Product means multiplication of 15 and z means 15 into z. And it is equal to 15z. 4 times. Times also means multiplication. 4 times means 4 into. Number is not given. Take it as w. 4 times w. 4 times w means 4 into w is. Now when you are making an equation and if in this statement if you come across words is, are, was, always replace these words by an equal to sign. So 4 into w is means equal to 24. Or we can say 4w, 4 into w is 4w is equal to 24. Question number 2 of practice set 27. Find out which operation must be done on both sides of this equation in order to solve them. To solve an equation means to get the value of the variable or letter in the equation. And to get the value of the variable, we have to eliminate any number which is added, subtracted, divided or multiplied to the variable. Now if the number is added to the variable, we subtract the number from both sides. But if it is subtracted from the variable, we add the number from both sides. If it is multiplied, then we divide, and if it is divided, we multiply. So that means if it is addition, we will subtract, then we add. If it is multiplied, then we divide, and if it is divide, then we multiply. So take the first equation, x plus 9 is equal to 11. So to solve this equation means we have to find the value of the variable x. But you can see that 9 is added to the variable x. So in order to solve this equation, we have to subtract because it is added. So we'll subtract 9 from both sides. So x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 11 minus 9. Now if the case is x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now here to solve this equation means to find the value of x. Now here the number 3 is subtracted from x. So to get the value of x, we add 3 to both sides. If it is added, then we subtract the number from both sides. If it is subtracted, then we add the number to both sides. That means if it is add, we subtract, and if it is subtraction, we add the number. Third one, 8x is equal to 24. Now here there is no operation. So whenever there is no operation, always take it as multiplication. So this is 8 into x. 8 into x is 8x. So to get the value of the variable x, we have to eliminate 8. And here the operation between 8 and x is multiplication. So when it is multiplication, we divide, and we divide by the number 8. So divide 8 on both sides. This is because I am dividing by 8 because I have to eliminate 8, which is multiplied to x. So when it is multiplication, we will divide 24 by 8. X by 6 is equal to 3. To get the value of x, we have to eliminate 6. Now to eliminate 6, 6 is divided to x. Upon means division. So here 6 is divided to x. So if it is division, we multiply by 6. So x by 6 into 6 is equal to 3 into 6. We just have to tell the operation which we have to do. So if it is plus, if the number is added to the variable, we will subtract the number from both sides. If you are subtracting the number only from the left hand side, that is considered as wrong. You have to subtract the number from both sides. And if the number is subtracted from the variable, we add the number to both sides. And if it is multiplied, here multiplication sign is not given, but 8x means 8 into x. So here 8 is multiplied to x. So to get the value of x, we have to eliminate 8, and therefore we divide both sides by 8. Here to get the value of x, we have to eliminate 6. The operation between x and 6 is division. So we multiplied 6 on both sides.